If you have Oppo K13 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Select device unlock and then select fingerprint and face unlock. Select fingerprint, click on agree. Now firstly you have to set your screen password, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part, otherwise click on next. You can select numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Here I'm selecting pattern. Wait for 5 seconds and then click on continue. Now draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Click on add now and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor. Keep on tapping on the sensor like this so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. Adjust the edges of your thumb or finger. After this, click on done. You can also add your face to unlock your smartphone, otherwise click on cancel. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of fingerprint like this.